हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्रिपरेशन विद जीबी। गाइस, अगर आप इस चैनल में नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए बिकॉज दिस चैनल इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट। तो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट, द फिनेंस कमीशन is constituted under article of the Constitution of India. Options are 270, 280, 226, 245. Answer B, 280. Who built the Taj Mahal? Options are Shah Jahan, Seth Shah, Nadir Shah, Jahangir. Answer A, Shah Jahan. The Nalanda University was founded by options are Samudragupta, Chandragupta, Kumargupta, Harshavardhan. Answer C, Kumargupta. Bleaching powder is used in drinking as a options are coagulant, B, disinfectant, C, antiseptic, D, antibiotic. Answer B, disinfectant. The pH of lemon juice is expected to be equal to 7, nothing can be predicted, more than 7, less than 7. Answer D, less than 7. Washing soda is also known as options are sodium chloride, calcium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, phosphorus. Answer C, sodium carbonate. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate, carbon monoxide, bromide. Answer A, sodium bicarbonate. What is the ratio of RBC to WBC? Options are 1:600, 600:1, 1:900, 500:1. Answer B, 600:1. Which city is the Silicon Valley of India? Options are Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Answer D, Bangalore. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? Options are 1911, 1912, 1910, 1905. Answer A, 1911. Which disease is caused by the bite of a mad dog? Options are leukoderma, hydrophobia, hypertension, arthritis. Answer B, hydrophobia. Which metal is used for generation of nuclear power? Options are thorium, uranium, water, fossils. Answer B, uranium. By whom is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected? Options are all the members of Rajya Sabha, all the members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, people of India, D, all the members of Lok Sabha. Answer D, all the members of Lok Sabha. Which planet is known as the Earth's twin? Guys, Earth's twin मतलब पृथ्वी का जुड़वा. Options are Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Saturn. Answer C, Venus. Which gland is both exocrine and endocrine? Options are pituitary gland, B, thyroid gland, C, pancreas. D. Small intestine. Answer C. Pancreas. 16. Which soil is best suited for cotton? Options are red soil, B. Regur, C. Alluvial soil, D. Loam. Answer B. Regur. 17. Which state has the largest wasteland area? Options are UP, Bihar, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab. Answer C. Jammu Kashmir. Color of the urine is yellow because of. Options are urochrome, potassium, endorphin, insulin. Answer A. Urochrome. 19. Who has been called Napoleon of India? Options are Samudragupta, Chandragupta, Kumargupta, Harshavardhan. Answer A. Samudragupta. Which is the largest river basin in India? Options are Godavari basin, Narmada basin, Yamuna basin, Ganga basin. Answer D. Ganga basin.